Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave YouTube channel. My name is Henry. Today is Friday, May 22nd. The time is around 4 a.m. GMT. So we are looking at the chart of the Nasdaq. This is a 30 minutes chart here, and we can see we ended with 4, as we can see right here at 8848. That means currently Nasdaq is within wave 5 to the upside. So it's the final wave, wave 5, in an impulsive 5 waves structure. We can see right here the rally is also in 5 waves here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that 5 waves rally from May 14, we are calling that as ending with 1 of 5. So in other words, this 5 waves is still part of the same wave 5. So this is wave 1 of 5, and we are now correcting in the wave 2 of 5 to correct this 5 waves up here in the Nasdaq. Okay, so in the correction, we are proposing it into a 7 swing. This is a double zigzag in which we could be ending the first 3 swings very soon. This zigzag, the first zigzag here, as you can see, if you measure the 100%, it is close to reaching the 100%. So from here, we may be able to get some sort of bounce, maybe 3 ways bounce. And if it fails to break above here, then that bounce here can fail and do another 3 swings pullback. So therefore, creating a double zigzag, ABC, ABC, 2 zigzags, and joined by a W, X, and Y in the middle. Right, this is called a double zigzag or double 3. And then as long as the pullback stays above this 8848, then the index still has a chance to extend higher again to continue within this wave 5. So if we look at the larger degree now, let me zoom out and give you some context on the larger view. If I zoom out on the daily, okay, we can see right here, this is the COVID-19 sell-off, bottom at bottom on March 23rd. Since then we have rallied. So this is the rally that we are in right now. If you look at here, this wave 4 is going to be at 8848, so that should be around, let me see, that should be around this area here. That should be around here. All right, that should be around the area. And again, currently we are in the process of ending this entire move here, right? We are in the process of ending this entire move from March 23rd, which should be a 5 waves move, and we are in the final stage in the wave 5. So now we got a couple of options. So what can be the alternate? Well, that's the first question, is what will be the alternate. The alternate is that we could have ended with 5 here, right? So instead of ending with 1 of 5, this could be of 5. Now if we are ending with 5, what that means is that we have ended this cycle from March 23rd, and then we'll of course do a much bigger pullback rather than just a pullback to correct this rally from from 8850 or so. Then we will get a pullback that correct the entire rally from 6630 something, right, which is the March 23rd, so which is going to be a bigger pullback, obviously. Now how do we know whether we're going to be extending higher within wave 5, or whether we may have ended with 5 already and starting to do a larger pullback? Well, if you look at this overall structure here, it looks like a wedge. To be honest, looks like a wedge, and you can draw some sort of wedge like this, right? You can draw some sort of wedge like this. So I think the key here is, if you see the Nasdaq fails to turn higher during this pullback somewhere here, and then instead continue to go down, and let's say break and close below this over here, right? If it closed below here, then chances are gonna be higher that we may have ended this cycle. Okay, and then we're gonna be doing a bigger 3 pullback like this, maybe. Okay, that can give us back to 8,000, let's say, before higher again. right? If you believe this is 5 waves, then that there is pullback is going to find support. Even if we have a larger pullback, it's still going to find support for the next leg to the upside. Okay, so that's the idea. So if you see it breaking below this what looks like a wedge here, then that could be the potential signal that we might be doing a larger correction. So until then, we are taking the more aggressive view here, and we are calling it for the upside because we see some other instrument which looks incomplete in other groups against this low here, against this May 14. That's why we are calling it this way. But again, if you see the Nasdaq breaking below this, then that could potentially signal we can be doing a larger pullback. Alright, so I hope this video is helpful, and if you do enjoy, please do like and subscribe. And as always, if you want to check our service, we have 14 days free trial, and the link is going to be provided in the description of the video below. See you all again next week. Have a good weekend to you all.